Are you on the hunt for an SUV that blends both classic style and functionality? Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Cherokee Limited 4x4 in Diamond Black Pearl. With adaptive cruise control with stop and go. Body colored fascias. 19-inch granite crystal aluminum wheels. Granite crystal exterior badging. Anodized gunmetal interior accents. Tungsten metal interior accent stitching. 8.4-inch touchscreen display. Navigation. Backup camera. Blind spot monitoring and cross-path detection. SELEC-TERRAIN system. 4G Wi-Fi hotspot. Power liftgate. Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, and so much more. For additional details or to set up a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5415.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.